What if you could transform the world by changing how we design and manufacture with sustainable impact in mind? What if you could design and produce personalized, more localized, on-demand, 3D printed parts that enable using less material, reducing inventory of raw materials and finished goods, avoiding the impacts associated with transportation, and expanding product life through increased availability of spare parts? At HP 3D Printing and Digital Manufacturing, we're helping our customers rethink design throughout the product lifecycle to use less material and reduce waste. One innovative customer at a time, helping to reduce the need for inventory, helping to achieve high-performance parts while reducing energy consumption, helping to reduce and recycle waste, enabling a circular economy. HP is also making rapid strides in our efforts towards innovative solutions for creating a better, more sustainable world with our breakthrough solution for the molded fiber industry, the HP Molded Fiber Advanced Tooling Solution.
Right from day one, we loved the idea of unwanted discarded materials and turning into something new that could then, again, in turn, be recycled, composted, biodegraded.
I definitely think that the world is shifting away from plastics and foams towards molded fiber because it's renewable, it's recyclable.
I am proud and excited to be involved in this breakthrough technology. My IMFA goals of promoting the technology of producing environmentally sustainable products are exactly represented with HP's Advanced Tooling Solutions.
Today, through 3D printing, we are making progress towards more sustainable manufacturing processes. Together, let's make a sustainable impact.